If you want to invite someone to manage your Amazon ads, here's the safe way to do it. Hi, I'm Matt from Publishers C, a place for Amazon KDP authors. I'll show you step by step how to give access to your Amazon Ads account. Let's start on our Ads console page and navigate to the left-hand side menu, Administration, Account Access and Settings. On this page, just make sure that we are on Users section, and you are presented with a list of users that currently have access to your account. Currently, as you can see, there's only one person, admin. To invite more people, just click Invite Users button. And on this simple form, the first thing we have to do is provide the email address of the person that you are inviting. After typing address, click Add button. And the next setting we have to specify is user permissions level. There are some cases that viewer permission level is fine. For example, if you would like to invite someone to do audit of your existing campaigns, the read-only access will be perfectly fine. But for most of the cases, editor access level is something that we are looking for. So editor means that the person will be able to modify existing campaigns, launch new campaigns, manage portfolios, manage budgets. So everything that's required to manage your ads effectively. And the last setting is country access. By default, Amazon gives access to all marketplaces, but you can specify only one or just select few marketplaces. But in most of the cases, giving access to all marketplaces is perfectly fine because you would like to scale your ads and book sales to all marketplaces. And last step, click Invite Users. What's happening now is pending invitations list shows the people that you send the invitation to, and Amazon is sending the invitation email to them. They will receive an email that looks something along these lines. So as soon as they click the Accept Invite link, they will be redirected to Amazon and required to log in with their Amazon Ads account. If they don't have Amazon Ads account created yet, they will be prompted to create one. As soon as they accept the invitation, the list of users with access to your account will be updated and you will see their name and permission level and also the list of countries, marketplaces that they have access to. And that's it. You've securely granted access without giving away your password. If this was helpful, hit subscribe for more KDP tips. See ya!